Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I sound crusty as hell. Anyways, we're going to be doing these goddess/box braids. Let's get into it. Like, comment and subscribe and enjoy the video.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make a cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get.
I always get the question, how do I flip from like the back to the front, like how we just did? And honestly guys, this is the reason I do one-to-one braiding, because like I can talk and show you at the same time in real life. Like I'm not the best at explaining, it's more so just like the actions. And if I see you doing the actions, I can tell you like, no, put your finger there, put your thumb there, and all that. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Careful, mama, why would you say? You talking to me like you knew.
I don't know if anyone's ever done goddess braids like this, but I like doing it like this because I reuse braiding hair, so it actually works out really well. So you see what I just did there? Nice and easy. You just pull out a little section, put it to the side, and you keep braiding. Like, it was so easy to do this. I've not done like goddess braids and all those braids like other than this way. Like, I'm gonna try it next time now and see how I do. Maybe.
You know this cookies for the bag. I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. I hope they know my for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bag. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
Again, I just want to clarify, I'm doing goddess braids, and you don't need that much like curly hair out, so like, don't drag me for only having literally 2 pieces out each braid, because that's all I did. That's all you need. So when I start off box braids, it will be like 2 strands of the braiding hair, then the third bit will just be my hair, so it will be shorter, obviously. And as you can see here, I literally just like take a little bit of braiding hair from each of the longer sections, and I just slowly add it to the middle bit until it all feels evenish. If you do end up doing your hair like this with reused braiding hair, I would just be wary that when you're like separating it like this, it can go a bit puffy, but like just chuck a bit of gel on it and it'll be fine, honestly. Like you just like smooth it back together and it's fine.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you to decide it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me why. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
You see the way I make up my face? Yeah. Watch karma happen. Yeah. Karma's real.
We can go to fight, cause I know what it's like, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. Got your size, I subtract the 5. Then it don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10, then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen. I mean what I write, yeah. Whoa, you can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what they can to get you off. Not just fucking with my makeup on. You can let me need the apron on. You can kill it, need to change my line. You can do it to your baby. Send it just one night. Make with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Please let me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't want to got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just put
Right, I will explain this as well as I can. Doing box braids, you wrap the braiding hair around your one strand of hair. And then you kind of you start braiding. Can you see what I'm doing? That was such a rubbish explanation. Oh my god. Just go back, ignore what I said, and just watch it.
That you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught tipping with your friend, you ain't even had me lying. You know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control them slow the pace if I throw back. Oh, this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy and will, baby.
Is that braid bothering anyone else? It was really bothering me. Like, why is it down? Like, ugh, why did I do that? Anyways, last braid. Oh my god, I don't think you guys understand the excitement. I don't know if you see it on my face, but I'm excited. I'm so excited.
This is what I say from throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and I'm still banking, college park, cover home, hummus floating on chrome, choking on that.
Not me putting on the mousse and just trying not to think about that one braid. But no, honestly guys, that irritated me. Like really, that's never happened to me before. Nothing like that. So I'm gonna redo it. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the style. It came out so cute and I'm definitely doing this again. See you in the next video.